Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can clean out your Dyson HP02. This is a hot and cold air purifier. You might find that your room is constantly showing poor. It might not necessarily be that the air is poor in the room. Maybe this has got a lot of dust built up in it. So I'm just going to show you how to clean it. So first things first, we are going to unplug, make sure it's turned off, and unplug it from the electricity. And now we're going to give everything a nice good clean. So to begin with, I'm just going to go around the outside of it here with a vacuum cleaner, and I'm also going to clean around the blades as well. Now that's the outside done. We now want to get into the machine, so I'm going to press the button in here and here, and we're going to lift up this top bit, and we're going to take out the filter by pressing down. There's 4 bits here you can press down on. Just press down on a couple of them and that will come out here. We're now going to clean up on all the inside of this around here. We're also going to hoover out the filter as well. You can see all the dust built up around the filter, but yet the filter doesn't need changing. Just needs a clean. Top, bottom, and just a little bit on the inside. Right, now we're going to clean around here. And lastly, before we put it back together, there's a little door just here. We're going to clean the little sensors in here. So get your finger in this part, press in towards here and out, and that will lift out this bit here. And get yourself a cotton bud or a Q-tip. Don't wet it or anything, do this dry, and put it around this area in here. Give it a nice good clean. And I'm also doing this one here. And I'm just going to rub around here just to make sure that there's no dust around the place. You get the vacuum cleaner on this bit in case the foam has dust on. Now it's just a case of putting it back together. Click that back in. This filter will be able to go in either way round, and click it into place like so, and this can go in either way like that. And that is it. Hopefully now it should be nice and clean. We're going to give it a good blowout to begin with on a high setting to get rid of any dust that might be set on here. Then hopefully it will start reading clear again. Well, I'm going to leave it like that for a minute or so, and then we're going to go onto the app and see what the app is now saying. And there we go, you can see now it's gone to good. So that's it, that's how to clean out your Dyson fan. You need to do this every so often because they do suck in a lot of dust from the room. Thanks for watching.